quick what Happy Cow is doing. She's making a bunch of noise back here. Thought I'd go back and say hi to Happy Cow. See if she's got herself into. What are you doing, Happy Cow? This is kind of a janky shed that we gotta get rid of. What's Happy Cow doing? You tear down the shed for me? No, she's just eating the grass and the shrubbery that's growing on the shed, I guess. Just taking a walk back here real quick where the creek is. It's more of a swamp, if you ask me. That's Goofball. There's Mama Cow. There's Baby Cow. What are you guys doing back here? So they've got all this they've got all this area pretty much trampled down, which is actually really nice. That way we didn't have to cut it or nothing. Kind of a little swampy area. Well, actually it's a creek. It runs quite a bit of ways, but it is more of a swamp, I guess. You can kind of see. I'm just showing you a little bit of the property here in the back of the pasture. Not a whole lot to see, but definitely something. Let's say hi to Mama Cow. What are you doing, Mama Cow? What are you doing? What's Mama Cow doing? You doing alright? You in a good mood today, or what? Good mood? Bad mood? Good? Alright. You know, Happy Cow is always happy. Huh. Yeah. Hey, Happy Cow. He's always good. Eventually we're going to put chickens back here, I think. Going to get this fenced off at some point. This little area back here, I think we're going to turn into a place to raise chickens. So, alright, just checking in with you. Peace out.